Right guys, we are back. Today we're doing a Ford Fiesta 1 litre eco pop, and we're doing the high pressure fuel pump on it, right? Subscribe, like and subscribe, follow me for more hints. I'll show you what it looks like. This is a second-hand one the chaps bought us, right? And this thing here, their simple one-way clip is what stumps everyone. And show you how we did it. So we've just had this one off here. For this, you'll need a good-looking assistant. I've got one over there. This is what it looks like inside the pipe, right? Have a good look at that. 4 little tongs that need to be pressed in at the same time, yeah? And we did it with a zip tie. Literally. What you do, you get your zip tie, you cut it off about, sort of end of your digit length, and you wrap it around, I don't know if I can do this with one hand, you wrap it around the pipe like that till it closes. Then you get a couple of short screwdrivers and you force the thing in like that so it pushes all of them together. Get your assistant to give it a little wobble and off she pops. But that is the way you do your high pressure fuel line, with a zip tie. Don't need any fancy tools, just need to get this and cut it in the right place. Wrap it round there. As I say, it's going to be fiddly. It's not going to be easy. Get it the right length, wrap it round there. With screwdrivers, push it all the way down while giving it a wiggle so that it closes all of those 4 at the same time. I'll show you now. I'm not going to put it on. So something like that. You get your zip tie around it, just like that, if you can see past his grubby fingers. Then you push it up the sleeve, just like that, and the whole thing pops off. Yeah? Just like that. So, in future, that's how you do it.